Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. So today I have a process video for you using the Felicity Jane Millie kit. This is a quick layout. It's mostly journaling and I'm using my We Are Memory Keepers typewriter typecast to do my journaling on basil white cardstock. We all had you boys that were around the same age and thank goodness for stroller strides. It's an exercise group for moms who will work out together through the neighborhood with their babies in the strollers. The other this is where I met your Auntie and moms are there too. Sarah. It was such a great source of connection with other moms going through the same experiences at the same time. You boys are the cutest. I hope this friendship remains strong through the years to come. And so that's what I wrote. And one of the great things about this group of friends is we're still groups of friends and we still get together. I have not seen the kids in years, although that's because of COVID, but we usually get together for Christmas and Halloween. The moms get together throughout the year, so I am more likely to see them, and they are such a great source of comfort and reliable friendship, so I'm very grateful. Okay, after I do this journaling, I cut off a portion of the cardstock with the scallops because I want that to be the top portion of the page, and I did fussy cut the scallops under that mustard yellow green color. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scrap piece of paper, and this is gold starburst, and I am getting the date of this picture, but I just realized I did not date stamp it, so I will have to do that after I finish recording this or voice over this video. I am using my Caterpillar Pro to cut out one layer to back up the photo, and that's the only layer I'm going to have because it is very top heavy with the scallops on the top. Next, I'm going to use a T ruler to work on my title, and I'm using this wonderful Felicity Jane alphas that came with the kit, and every time there's a kit that comes out, I do buy 3 sets of alphas, or 2 additional sets of alphas, I should say, because I do a lot more layouts with the kits than, I don't know, that need more alphas, and then I always like the extra alphas anyway for other layouts that I may be doing. So I am titling this 3 Amigos, and I'm putting it lightly on this T ruler, and then I'm going to center that right under the photo so that it is all centered. So it's a T design foundation, so the scallops on the top are the top portion of the T and it comes down, and you can see there I'm trying to center it so that the 3 Amigos, the title, is in the middle of the photo. Once I place this down, I am going to adhere my photo down. And there are 2 different types of adhesive that I use. I use the roller adhesive, which is the Kokio adhesive, which is my favorite roller adhesive. And then I also have the ATG gun, which I use, and I like that one because I don't go through the adhesive quite as quickly. So I do like both of those. Once I do that, I am also going to pop up some of the corners to add more dimension to the layout. And here I'm using the Stampin' Up! Foam Dimensionals, and I do like these dimensionals because they are really thin. But scrapbook.com or Cherry on Top, I can't remember which one, but I'll have it linked down below, also carries thin dimensionals, so I will have that link down below. Now I'm going through the embellishment that came with this kit, and I'm putting the cupcakes on the bottom left, a tab that says loved on the top right, and then I'm going to put a ticket with a heart on the bottom right. And so this is going to be my 3 areas of embellishment, and I'm keeping it very simple because the scalloped on the top of the layout is where some of the focus is going to be. Now this kit did come with felt XOXO, so I'm taking the X hearts, and I'm going to put that on the top right hand portion of my layout. I'm going to use my Scotch Quick Dry adhesive, and I put the adhesive in a fine line tube with a fine line applicator, and I'm going to use that to adhere that down. And I'm putting that on top of the photo because I don't want to, and when I take a photo, I usually make sure that there's enough white space because I do like to put titles and embellishments on my photo. So every time I take a picture, I am conscientious of how I am framing the photo. I don't do cropping and anything like that once I've taken the picture because as I'm taking the picture, I kind of know how I want it, and so I have to do less editing. So after I do that, I am going to take some more embellishments, and I'm going to take these heart stickers, and I'm going to put them into the bottom right and bottom left. Then I am taking this gold ink, it's calligraphy ink, and I'm making splatters into the 3 areas of embellishments. And then I call my layout done. Super simple, super fast, heavy journaling, which is what I wanted with this layout. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.